have ourselves a Jayco Eagle series 5th wheel. This is one we actually came down here for. We drove an hour away to get to it, but we'll go on the inside first. Look at this step. This is a step above. It's got the solid step and has an extra handle there for accessibility, stepping up these steps. So you grab a hold of it, walk in, grab a hold of your next one. This is beautiful. Can't quite see it, but it's got like a beige color to it. When you walk in, you have your BM Pro unit. This is what we came. Get yourself get a bit better view here. So look at this. You have storage. The whole wall is pantry, and this is it's Stacy Stewart interior design. So it's actually has a lot of like the antiquing distressing on the cabinets. Whirlpool side by side refrigerator freezer with your ice and water fill up. Has a high point convection oven, microwave. Has your Furrion 3 burner and an oven underneath. More storage and a pantry. The shiplap look to it with the antiquing. This is what we came all the way down here for, to look at. Adjustable shelving units in there for another pantry. You have yourself a dry erase and a cork board. Alright, so this does have the kitchen island and has a little power port for you. There's a USB charge and plug in there. Get into, there's a table. Have yourselves a 2-seater couch, 34-inch heater, sound bar. Got yourself a television. Getting into more of the storage. There's your entertainment set up. Corner. You have yourselves a little corner cabinet with more storage in it. Like I said, this is the one we came down here for. Then you get into the bunkhouse. What do you think, Raylan? Look at those seats. Look, they like hug you. They're like gaming seats. You know, if you're gamers that are on our pages that would like these seats. Cup holders. All kind of stuff.
No TV in here though.
Get you got your bed. And then there's steps. Actual steps with built-in drawers into them.
Oh, I can't open it.
Every step that has a drawer built into it. This is cool. Place to hang your coats, girls. More storage space along here. You got yourself a drawer, cubby. And then Esme's sitting on the other bunk. Yeah, and then there's a little spot there too. Got a almost residential size window in the back here.
Pouring outside.
Yeah, it's raining like crazy. Now we turn around and second bathroom. Vented.
I think that could fit a shower.
Oh my goodness. Another Dometic toilet.
I was wrong. Ready?
So, which bathroom is going to be my bathroom? Yeah, they're comfy.
Do these fold out?
Yeah, they fold out. Yep, same way all the other ones do, except this one has the nicer back wrap, the backs to it. Very cool. And we go up front. You go up front. Have yourself your sink, vanity, very nice walk-in bath shower stall, and here's your other toilet. So we have 2 bathrooms in here, and look at that. They even have it set for the right-handed wipers with the toilet roll on the right-hand side. Get yourself a place to hang your towels and robes. Another very deep storage, and you can see this isn't dirt, guys. This is actually antiqued. Every cabinet door in this unit is antiqued to give you that cabin feel, or that old cabin style feel to it. Very cool, very cool. Then we go into master. Let's see, this even has a charging station, space for your television. Has a actual dresser. It's not extremely deep. You can tell it's about maybe a foot deep. Then you get into your walk-in closet. Has the sliding mirrors. Open these cabinets up. Nice deep space. Nice deep space in there. Another cabinet will open up. This one is already water is run for your water. For your washer and dryer. Has the east-west king size bed. Storage underneath. I really like these lights. They're in the new camp as well. So really cool. Remote for all your lights. Remote for your light, ceiling, hall. You can actually turn everything. You can retract your slides. Beautiful. Give yourself a floor plan view again. It's not the best because the lights are horrible, but it does have a ceiling fan up above too. Really cool. Really cool unit. We drove an hour just to see this. Beautiful. Beautiful unit. And it has the double sink too. So you can wash and rinse in each one of them. It makes it nice. And then the storage on the island is just very cool. This is absolutely awesome. It's very pretty. What do you think, Mama? Is it worth the hour? Alright, so you have your larger tanks, huge underbelly storage.
Daddy, you even got an air vent.
Yeah. Once again, getting into the step is just awesome. It has the helper there. Awning over the front main here, so you would have a lot of your living quarters there. Awning over your bump out. And this one also bumps out a good 2 foot. So definitely not for tight spaces. But then it has your outside living. Go to your outside living. Opens up and bam. Jayco did an awesome job. Have bottle opener with the Jayco name in it. Look at this grill. Capital Grill. Oh my goodness. This grill is fantabulous. True grilling is done on one of these units. Has a wash sink, Furion television, a little bit of storage above, and also getting your refrigerator. And then has a pull-out storage, put your spices and all. And it is lighted. Does have the Furion lit in it. This is a very cool unit. Love the grill. It's always nice when they add a nice little touches like that versus the standard burner grill. On the back, it is bumperless, but it does have your hitch and a ladder to access the roof and your pre-lit, pre-ran camera. All your lights are LED, so a nice little upgrade. And you see your bump out. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 bump outs on it. This is a 50 amp service. And you can see you have your whole unit, water unit. Everything's set up there. That's your through space. And then once again, you get into your other setup here on the other side. It's pretty cool. All right, weight wise, let's see, gross vehicle weight rating is 14,840 pounds, so not bad in weight. And cargo is 1,673, which works out really well. So it's fairly lightweight. It's under 15,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Hey guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then once you do that, turn on the bell so that you get notifications on when we post more videos.